How to log into your Amity University website. So if you want to log into the official website of Amity University, this is how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser you have and then search for Amity University. Once you search for it, you can see this is the official website. The URL is www.amity.edu. So just open this website, and after you open it, the website will be loaded, and at the top you can see there are different tabs, and you are gonna go to the last one that says Admission Microsite Login. Just click on it. This will take you to the login portal right here. So if you're a new user, you can sign in from here, but if you already have an account, you just click on sign in and then enter your mobile number and your password, and that way you can easily sign into the website. But if you forgot your password, you can click here and then you can recover your password from here. So if you have an Indian mobile number, you can log in via OTP as well. So you just enter your phone number, it will send you a verification code on your phone, and you can enter or log in from there as well. I hope this video was helpful, and if you found it helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.